We arrived at La Maison Arabe and we are going to go to the cooking school. I'm making a vegetarian option and some Moroccan salad. So afterwards we should be experts.
This is fennel. We're going to use haricot vert or French beans. We have carrot. We have a turnip. We have cauliflower. We have potato. We have courgette. And we have a tomato. We're going to use onion. We're going to use parsley, coriander, and garlic. We're going to use salt. We're going to use pepper, ginger, turmeric, cumin, and paprika, and oil. This is a garlic. We're going to use a big garlic.
First, top and tail the green beans and soak in water. Next, peel and chop the carrots and chop and peel the rest of the vegetables. When you're doing the carrot, take out the middle bit of it. Why is that?
It's very tough to eat.
And then just pop those in with the rest of the vegetables. So we're just cooking the vegetables and soaking them in here. This is the fennel. We're going to put it in the tagine.
This way.
I'm not really good.
That's the way you do it, okay? Always. Very important presentation in this staging, that's very important.
I've noticed actually all the ones we've had have just been very
well presented.
Yes, yes.
Beans. We have salt, pepper, ginger, turmeric, paprika, and cumin.
And we're just drizzling that over. We've also, in the vegetable mix, we've also got garlic, parsley, onion, and coriander.
And all those beautiful fresh vegetables.
Yeah, and this is going on, all of this is going on.
All together, we're going to take like 1 hour.
So this is the taktuka, which is the green pepper and tomato salad. Basically, we grilled the peppers and chopped them finely, and we've got tomato, cumin, pepper, paprika, salt, and olive oil, and we just whack them all together now, and it smells amazing. So the final touch is to add some olives. It's smelling pretty good, actually, I've got to say. It's the Berber tagine, vegetarian option. Delicious.